catch my hair on fire. Oh, Chelsea, what are you frickin' doing? It's Chelsea here at Messermeister Gather Kitchen for happy hour. We visited Ventura Spirits and they gave us a wonderful tour and taught us everything we needed to know about alcohol. Featuring California Ventura brewed Limoncello, 1.5 ounce. I'm tempted to do 2. Amazing gin Wilder, 1.5 ounce gin. This is good. And our lemon. 1 ounce lemon juice. Add ice. Too cold to hold, baby. It's Friday. All right. Top with club soda. Splish splash. Now we're gonna try a fun garnish. All right. We are going to take a sugar cube, add some bitters, and see if we can make a sugar decor with our Messermeister torch. All right, I'm calling it done. We got an oyster knife. This comes in handily. Lift. All right. It ain't staying in there. It didn't work, but we tried. Cocktail's still good. The garnish, well, not so cool. Happy Friday, cheers, and good luck making that garnish next time. Bye-bye.